So I already completed a cycle, and this is how wet it is. These clothes were over here about 5 minutes ago, and I put it on 5. I probably put it on, no, I put it on 2, then I did it again at another 2 minutes, so it's been over here for 4 minutes, and it went from soaking wet to a little damp. I'll probably hang it up and let it dry, but I would recommend this portable washing machine. I wouldn't recommend washing anything delicate in here because it did shred my clothes a little bit because the agitator is aggressive. Like, strings are coming out, but it's only a night shirt, so it really doesn't matter. And I did see where someone said put it up high on a chair or something so that when you drain it, it'll drain down. So I'm gonna take these semi-damp clothes out, hang them up, then I'm gonna put this super wet nightgown in here for the same amount of time, so it'll be yeah, I would recommend this if you're looking for it, something convenient. Just to let you know, I will still go to the laundromat, but this is like for quick washes, or someone who doesn't have wash and dry hookup in their apartment like me. But yeah, I would recommend.
It doesn't look like a lot of maneuvering. I'm like moving around and my water may look dirty because it is. Because it is kind of a little bit of a hassle to continue to dump the water out after each load, especially if you have like if you live with your husband or wife or your girlfriend or boyfriend, kind of have a lot of, you have to go through a lot. But it does do most of the part. It does smell good. It may look dirty, but it's not. I mean, it is, but it's not. Your clothes still smell good. And that also might be, you know, the dye from your shirts or whatever. But I wouldn't suggest putting white t-shirts or something like that. But it does get the stink out of things, and it does smell good. This you can really only put like a couple shirts in it at a time. You know, if it gets a little too heavy, you know, it'll go crazy. But for the most part, it has gotten my clothes and stuff done. So that's great. Awesome. Love the review. Love this. It's awesome. Get it. Buy it. It's worth the money.
So I just wanted to do a quick review on this Auertech washer that I bought off of Amazon. It was in like the 160 range. It's the perfect size. This is my little RV tub and shower combo I have. And I live in a smaller model full time, and I just got really tired of going to the laundromat. So this came with a hose that has like a stretchable here that you just fit to your sink, and then you can use your hot and cold, and you fill it that way. Put your soap in. This one washes, and then whenever it's done, you just drain the water. It comes with a tube that goes right down here, and it clips into that and drains out, and then you refill it and put it on a rinse cycle. I absolutely love this thing. I can wash a couple shirts and a couple pair of pants at the same time, or like in this case, I'm washing a really large towel that got super dirty, so I'm just washing it by itself. As you can see, it has a real good agitation, it spins, it gets sudsy. So after you do that, you just drain the water, refill it with clean water, do your rinse cycle, drain. I bought the dual. It comes with this. It has a spin dry, so it's not adding heat, but it spins these to where they are almost completely dry. Like a lot of the times they come out feeling dry to the touch. It does it in 5-minute cycles. Most of the time, if I'm washing like small things, 1 cycle is completely enough for them to be dry. Like this big towel, I'll probably have to do 2 or 3 5-minute cycles, but it's super convenient. The wash cycle only takes 15 minutes. Like I said, the dry cycle is 5. And it's just the perfect size, and I have zero regrets spending the money. I don't have to make any more trips to the laundromat, and it's just perfect for RV life.
Este es mi nuevo juguete. Es chiquitito, aquí está la manguerita donde uno la conecta, agua fría, agua caliente, y aquí uno le mete los jeans, lo que uno quiera. Obviamente le queda poco espacio, solamente son máximo unas 10 prendas medianas, y si son pequeñas dura más. El agua la vende de ese color porque es un jean recién comprado. Es pequeñito, pero es muy funcional. Lo pongo acá cuando ya termino. Un punto importante que me costó ver un video es que cuando van a centrifugar, tienen que esto de aquí ponerlo acá, en drain, ¿ok? Lo ponen acá y de esa manera bota el agua. Mide de mi rodilla unos 4 dedos. Y es muy versátil y muy funcional. Tenemos otra lavadora grande. Sin embargo, esto hace exactamente lo mismo que una lavadora grande, solo que en pequeño lo tengo en mi baño.
Okay, so here is my washer that I bought. So far I really like it. I got it yesterday, but I've done quite a few loads in it so far. No complaints. My biggest suggestion is elevating it. I put mine on a chair, and then I sat a bathroom trash can next to it, so I can just take this hose and drop it into the can and drain it. To do that, you just switch it to this button. There we go. It's got the normal soft settings. Wash time goes up to 15 minutes. This load is almost done, as you can see. The spin cycle, the dryer, goes up to 5 minutes. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's enough. Depending on what it is, it comes out really dry. My husband's pants don't come out completely dry, but they're bulky and they don't always come out completely dry, and the big washing machine either. So Here it is. Ooh, so pretty. I love it so far. It's perfect.
Ma, what are you doing now?
So this is what the washer is doing now. It's just barely turning. I don't have it over full. As far as I can tell. I mean, it's a good gentle cycle, but it's not getting my clothes clean.
plugs in. It's on. Nothing's happening. And then dryer. Turn on. Nothing's happening, and there's only one thing in here. Nothing's happening.
Kita bed na ako, kita.